blender for smooth and flawless. No, sorry. Good Vibes face cream. Oh, sorry. Oh, God. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And yeah, same makeup, same day for me, but for you, आई डोंट नो कब ये वीडियो लाइव जाएगा, कब ये वीडियो अपलोड करूँगी मैं, क्योंकि इससे पहले बहुत सारी वीडियोस डाल चुकी होंगी मैं. सो but I really wanted to shoot it today itself, and I kind of prepared the messiness, the messy hair. I'm just loving my messy hair. Sometimes it's better to be, imperfect than rather than be a perfect. So I think it's good. Okay, so today is a purple haul, and I'm going to share my purple haul. But so I bought this on, when there was, iHeart sale was going on, and I bought these products on that sale. Okay, so here I'm going to show you one by one. There's a lot of Blue Heaven products because I really wanted to try the Blue Heaven newly launched things, stuff. So let's see. So first I have their Blue Heaven Lash Twist Curling Mascara Super Curl and Thick Lashes in packaging, green packaging. Okay, so it retails for 125 rupees, but I definitely got it under 100 rupees, I don't know. Okay, so I haven't tried it yet, but yeah, you will see in my upcoming makeup tutorials. Okay, so the second one is the Blue Heaven high coverage foundation with primer SPF 50 plus PA plus plus waterproof invisible cover. Okay, and I really wanted to try this out, but I thought this was expensive, but during that sale I got it at very cheaper prices, at a very cheap price. Then that's why I bought it, and this is in the shade, caramel mocha 04. But I found out that this shade is I think a little dark on my skin tone, little darker on my skin tone. And I मैंने face पे use नहीं किया, but I found it, little darker, a little darker. So I don't know, but it comes with a, beauty blender, and this beauty blender is good, quality wise. This beauty blender is very 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 good. Okay, so second I bought their newly launched Blue Heaven makeup blender for smooth and flawless. Next product is their Blue Heaven makeup blender for smooth and flawless application, latex free, hassle free. Please bear with my voice because I have a cold and this video is shot at same day. So this is in the color lavender, or we can say purple color. Purple color, but I have used in the previous bridal makeup tutorial, and I first thought कि थोड़ा rough है, थोड़ा tight है, but when I wet it, it is really squishy and it double हो जाता है अपने size पे, and it is really 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 it's still wet. Okay, so see the color change हो गया, but it is very beautiful color. It is kind of a lavender purple color. सो फर्स्ट आई थॉट कि जो ये ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर है वो बहुत ज़्यादा क्या है, रफ है, बहुत ज़्यादा स्टिफ है. बट व्हेन आई यूज इट एज अ वेट, इट डबल्स इट साइज, मतलब अपने साइज से डबल हो गया, और काफ़ी अच्छा था यूज़ करने में भी, एंड सो आई लव्ड इट. Second, I have Blue Heaven Lip Balm. Heavenly Lip Balms, cocoa butter with shea butter, almond oil, vitamin E for wet, moist, super smooth lips. So I really wanted to try this, particular variant of this lip balm, because I already have the strawberry flavor lip balm. Okay, and yeah, so this is it. Okay, second I bought this. So the next product is, Good Vibes Wine Night Cream. No, sorry. So this is the Wine Good Vibes Illuminating Face Creams. Yes, you heard it right. This is Good Vibes illuminating face cream. वाइन, ठीक है, इसकी जो स्मेल है, फ्रेगनेंस है, वो एकदम वाइन जैसी है, ठीक है, ओके, एकदम वाइन जैसी इसकी फ्रेगनेंस है. आई हैवंट यूज इट ऑन माई फेस येट, बट आई विल डेफिनेटली अपडेट यू ऑन दिस गाइज. ओके, the next product is the YM Ayurveda Saffron Glow Face Wash. इसका second variant भी है एक मेरे पास, that is already in use. The other variant of this that is already in use, and I'm just loving it right now. And this is the saffron variant, and the one I'm using right now is the haldi and chandan variant of it. And I think this is amazing. These are economic friendly, the budget friendly, and yeah, very good for all skin types. I hope so, for all skin types, and I loved it. Now the next product is a Stay Quirky mini lipsticks, and I really want to try it from a very long time, but मैं कभी purchase नहीं करी. Sometimes, so I wanted it to try out from very long time, but I haven't because I thought that sometimes it was expensive, sometimes I thought I don't need them, but finally I got these and I love these. So इसके जो swatches हैं मैं आपको YouTube shorts में ज़रूर शेयर करूँगी, इसके जितने भी swatches होंगे, ठीक है. I loved all the shades जो भी हैं इसके अंदर. I just loved it. The next product is the Namaya. I don't know how to pronounce it. I think it's Namaya. It's a Namaya lip serum advanced brightening therapy, and I think that it is really a good lip serum, or we can say lip balm. Okay, lip cream also, we can also say that it is a lip cream or lip serum. Okay, so it claims lightens dark lips because of leave it, I know it right. Oh. So it's come in the tube form, and it is really good. I haven't used it on my lips, but I have used it on my hand, and I think it is a great purchase, and I'm looking forward to use it. But I cannot use all the product at the same time. I have to give some product some specific time to perform well. The next is Good Vibes Aloe Vera Moisturizing Amugel Face Serum. I really want to try this face serum because this face serum has a something like liquidy, milky kind of a texture and consistency, and I really love that consistency kind of a thing in the serums. So I haven't opened it yet, but I just loved it, and I'll definitely add into my skincare routine. And then next product is the Stay Quirky Double Date Blush Duo. Okay, so I really wanted to try their blush out because I wanted the peach one and the pink one at the same time because I love them. So it's the orange blush and the pink blush, or kind of a darky pinky, mauvey pinky kind of a shade. Darky pinky, mauvey pinky, what I'm saying. It's a orangey, and it's a purple pinky, it's a mauvey pinky, it's a pinky, and it's a dark pinky. So that's it, and yeah, it is great. I really wanted to swatch it for you. Let's swatch it here. See, it is quite pigmented. Okay, इसमें थोड़ा सा बिल्कुल ही माइन्यूट शिमर पार्टिकल है, सो उससे कुछ इतना होगा नहीं. ओके, so the last product of this haul is definitely a lipstick, because I don't know, I kind of become a lipstick lover also Okay, so I really wanted to try some peachy nudie kind of a lipstick, and it is, I'm still trying to find out many variants and a terracotta type of thing. So here it is, the Maybelline lipstick, the creamy matte my color sensational. Okay, so let me open it for you. Wait, yeah, here it is. Look at this, it is perfect. So it's a peachy nudie shade. It will look great on lips. So that is it for today's haul video, and I hope you liked it, and you will definitely give it a thumbs up, because it makes an effort, because I make a lot of effort to shoot one video and then add it, and then there's a lot of time consuming. So I hope you understand, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so that whenever I upload a next video, then you will be notified very soon. So that is all about this video. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye. I love you all.